Buddhāvataṃsaka, the Flower Ornament Sutra, Book 9, Awakening by Light. Living beings have no birth, nor either any decay. If one attains such knowledge as this, one will realize the unexcelled way. In one understanding infinity, within infinity, one. Realizing their origins interdependent, one will attain to fearlessness. Then the light beams passed this world and illuminated 10 lands in the eastern direction, also doing likewise in the south, west, north, the 4 intermediate directions, and the zenith and nadir. In all of those worlds were 100 billion continents called Jambudvipa, and so on, including 100 billion heavens of the ultimate of form. Everything in all those realms was clearly revealed. In each of the Jambudvipa continents, the Buddha was seen sitting on a lotus-banked lion throne, surrounded by as many enlightening beings as atoms in 10 Buddha lands, and in each one, due to the spiritual force of the Buddha, 10 great enlightening beings from the 10 directions, each accompanied by as many enlightening beings as atoms in 10 Buddha lands, came to the Buddha. Those enlightening beings were called Manjushri, etc. The lands they came from were called golden, etc. And the Buddhas they served were called immutable knowledge, etc. Then the Manjushris in all those places, each in the presence of the Buddha in that place, all simultaneously spoke out, saying these verses. Sentient beings lack wisdom, wounded and poisoned by the thorns of craving. For their sake we seek enlightenment. Such is the law of all Buddhas. Seeing all things, giving up extremes, once enlightened, never regressing, they turn the incomparable wheel of truth. For inconceivable eons, cultivating various practices vigorously in order to liberate beings. This is the power of the great sages. The guide conquers demons bravely and invincibly, preaching subtle truths in his light because of kind compassion. By knowledge and wisdom, breaking the barriers of afflictions. In an instant, seeing all. This is the spiritual power of Buddhas.